Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of LLC formation. Now, starting a business can feel like climbing Mount Everest in flip-flops, right? Tons of paperwork, confusing legalese, and enough fees to make your wallet cry. But fear not, intrepid entrepreneurs, because today we're cracking the code on LLC formation made easy. We're going to unveil 5 free and low-cost options that'll have you forming your LLC faster than you can say, limited liability. So grab your metaphorical pen and let's get started. Option number 1, the DIY route. Now this option takes some elbow grease, but it's completely free. Head to your state's website, download the forms, and get ready to channel your inner legal eagle. Remember, free doesn't mean easy, so be prepared to do some research and make sure you do it right. Option number 2, online formation services. These websites walk you through the process, fill out the paperwork, and even file it with the state for a small fee. Think of them as your LLC formation assistants. They take care of the nitty-gritty while you focus on building your business empire. Option number 3, legal aid organizations. Many non-profit organizations offer free or low-cost legal assistance to small businesses. This is a fantastic option if you need some guidance and want to save some cash. Option number 4, bartering. Hey, it's the oldest form of commerce. Do you have a skill someone needs? Like graphic design or website development? Offer your services in exchange for help with LLC formation. You might be surprised what skills people are willing to trade. Option number 5, friends and family. Now this one requires caution. Unless your grandma is a secret corporate lawyer, be sure the person you ask is qualified to help with LLC formation. But hey, if you have a trusted friend or family member with legal expertise, why not ask for their pro bono? That's fancy talk for free. Assistance. Just be sure to properly thank them with a heartfelt handshake, or maybe even a pizza party. So there you have it, folks. 5 free and low-cost options to form your LLC and launch your business dreams into the stratosphere. Remember, like this video if you found it helpful, comment below with any questions, and subscribe for more entrepreneurial adventures. Until next time, keep hustling, stay focused, and make your business dreams a reality.